Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about char built-in function in CL program. So here in CL, it operates in the same way as it works for RPGLE. So here I have created one program. So let's go through the example. So I'm opening this in edit mode. So basically, char built-in function is used to convert any data type into character form. Okay, so whenever you want to convert anything into character, then you can utilize this percentage char built-in function. So let's see the example. So for the example, I have declared few variables of different data type, and then we will convert those variable values into character. So let's see the first one. So here the first variable is declared as logical name with not a logical name, and it is of type logical, and I have initialized the value as 1. So this is logical variable. Second variable named as decimal, which is of decimal type, and the length is 3:1, and the value we have stored is 10.5. Okay, so decimal position is here 1, so I have passed it as 10.5. Then we have another variable as integer. So the variable name is also same as the type, so that it will be easy for you to understand which value we are converting. So in the same way, I have initialized integer variable with value 50, and the length of this variable is 4. Then we have another variable as unsigned integer, and the length is 4, and we have initialized the value as 20. So we have declared 4 variables, and we have stored some value, initial value, to those variables. Now once we get the converted result, for holding those value, we are declaring another variable, which is char output. So whatever the converted char value we will retrieve, it will be stored inside this char output variable. Okay, now see the example. So first of all, we will discuss about the logical scenario where we are converting the logical value into character using percentage char built-in function. So on line number 19, I'm using chgvar command, and so you just need to write chgvar, then take F4, and here inside the CL variable field, you need to pass that variable name where you want to store the values or output. So I'm passing it as a ampersand char output. Now in new value, I am using percentage char, and inside this percentage char parenthesis, I am passing the variable which I want to convert into character. So I want to convert my logical value into character, so I am passing it as a ampersand logical, which is my variable name. Okay, so it will convert the value into character, and then we are using snd pgm command to print the value on the output screen. And we all know that snd pgm command takes only the character value. If we directly try to print the logical value, decimal or integer, unsigned integer, then it will give error. So this is the first check, that once it is accepting inside the snd pgm command, then we can make sure that yes, it is now converted to character. Okay, so we are just printing the value. Now we will see the second scenario. So here what we are doing, we are converting the decimal value into character using percentage char built-in function. So in the same way, just I'm changing the variable inside the percentage char. Now I am converting the decimal value into character, and then on line number 27, I'm printing the value with the help of snd pgm command. Another scenario is for integer. So here also I'm using percentage char. So you just need to write simply chgvar, then take F4, and inside the variable field just pass the value, and new value we will use with the help of percentage char built-in function. So I'm passing the variable inside that, which is integer, and then I'm using snd pgm command to print the value. So it will convert the integer value into character, and then we will print the same to the user. The last scenario is for unsigned integer. So for unsigned integer also, we are using percentage char to convert the unsigned integer value into character, and then on line number 40, we are printing the value with the help of snd pgm command to convert it to print the converted value to the user. Okay, so I hope these all line are clear to all of you. And so basically what we did here, we just declared different type of data type variables, and then we have initialized the values at the time of initialization, these values, Okay, and then we are using the percentage char to convert those respective value into character form. So let's try to compile it and see whether we are getting the correct output or not. So it is compiled successfully. I'm now calling it. So first value it prints is 1, which is converted from logical value to character. Second value is 10 comma 5. So we have passed the decimal value 10.5. So this is the conversion of that value as character. Another value is for integer variable, and if I do one more page down, then it will show for the unsigned integer value. So we are able to print all the value using sntp-msg command. It means all the value has been converted to percentage means all the value has been converted to character using percentage char. So this is very useful built-in function, like wherever you think like you want to use only the character value, or you want to print it is mandatory like to use the character value, then you can easily utilize this built-in function for converting your value into character form. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.